So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal mid monthly energy check in for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of March 2026. Okay, so there is noise of birds chirping around, crows and various birds, and I don't have light. The bulb tube is not working fine, so bear with me. Cool. So, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box or find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So, let's start. Libra, the overall energy for Libra people for the rest of this month. मेरा बहाना मेरा साजन ऐ रंग रेज मेरे. Wow. So my AC is not working, and the guy is kind of very worried. He's working for me. Anyways, not for me, for the AC thing. Nobody works for me. I myself and my team of two people. Anyway, so we have the High Priestess, honey, Ten of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, this is the end of something very important to you. Now you guys are trying your best to keep it to yourself. Okay, there is a collaboration or partnership, or there is something that you are relying on, or that you are preparing yourself for. Like, for example, you were working with someone on a project, and that project got complete, and you were waiting for some kind of uh, you know recognition or award or reward or something. But either the project got cancelled, or the person that you were working with, he or she is not giving you the kind of credit. Just an example. So you were relying on some kind of collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together, and you were hoping for the best, and suddenly it ended. Okay, and you are still dealing with that end. Okay, for bottom of the deck is a Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely, you guys are trying your best to slowly but surely move forward and accept the reality and accept the truth of this ending or breakup or separation or whatever is valid in your scenario. You guys are trying your best to let it go slowly but surely out of your system, but this is something that's really very important for you right now. Else also, this is not like something casual, like I don't know how to explain this, but you got my point, Libra, right? You are very sharp. Let's see what was happening in the recent past, my love. मेरा बाना मेरा साजन King of Cups. So you were full of love. Okay, in the recent past, you were full of love. You were trying your best to keep yourself calm, composed, together. But there was a lot of hope regarding a particular person or situation that you were carrying within yourself. I don't know what. I think I should go to a hair spa or something. For a hair spa or something. Let's see. In the current energies, we have the Ace of Cups. Now your heart is full of a lot of emotions, lot of love towards something or someone. You're in love with someone. You're in love with someone, or you're in love with the idea of having something in your life that is very close to your heart and soul. And it is something that you guys are might be trying to approach or get from quite a long time now. It's not something that you fell in love with recently. Again, it can be a person, it can be a situation, it can be your job, it can be anything. By the end of this month, we have the Seven of Cups. A lot of things happening, or you're trying a lot of ways to achieve something in a particular direction. Let's clarify the King of Cups in the recent past for you guys. This is my no makeup look, in the sense I just use my kajal and a little bit of this lip color. Today I felt like I should just go bare soul, bare looks, and this is how I look without any kind of anything on my face. And I love it. Let's clarify the King of Cups in the recent past. No, after this reading, I'm going to take a shower. Then I'll put on these things for another readings. We have the Strength card, this Justice card, and the Nine of Swords. Okay, so you guys were trying to do justice in a situation, in a particular situation that your heart is continuously telling you to go ahead in, and you were very very stressed out, like how to do that, how to approach that situation, how to not to damage the situation furthermore, how to create a balance, how to create the karmic justice in a particular situation. Okay, something happened in a particular situation at some point of time, maybe recently, maybe in the distant past, doesn't matter. You know better than me, because when we are talking about the situation, you know who and what I am talking about, right? So you were trying your best to maybe give a proper closure to something, or maybe do a justice in a particular situation where some kind of injustice happened at some point of time. This is your card only, Libra. So until unless a Libra is going to do something according to their scale of justice and balance, they are not going to be at peace. So something left without a justice kind of a thing, and you were trying your best with all of your heart and soul and love in your heart to again create some kind of balance in a particular situation, and you were like doing it inside of you. You were not able to take any kind of action. It was stressing the hell out of you, like how to do that, how to approach this situation, what are the steps. Currently your emotions are flowing, overflowing. The cup of your emotions is overflowing. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups here. We have the Ten of Cups and the Magician and the Eight of Cups. You guys are manifesting this energy of creating a happily ever after kind of a deal with someone, but someone or something, maybe it's a long term partnership kind of a deal with a business person, business energy. But for that, you guys have to leave something or someone else behind. So you guys are manifesting this strength and this courage to leave something or someone behind in order to create a happily ever after kind of a deal, in order to create a long term partnership kind of a deal with something else or someone else. But there is this sense of I cannot achieve what I want unless I'm going to walk away completely from what is stopping me from moving forward in a particular direction. But your heart is screaming at you to go in a particular direction and do something about it, and your mind is telling you to leave something or someone behind before you are going to even start going in that direction. So it's a very complicated situation, and all of it is happening internally, and that is very struggleful for you. By the end of this month, we have the Seven of Cups. Let's clarify this. So we have the Hanged Man, the Death card, and the World card. If there is any inch of confusion in you right now regarding whatever you are trying to approach here, there is not going to be any kind of confusion. You are going to try so many things to start going in a particular direction where your heart is continuously telling you to go ahead, do something about it, approach it. Whatever is going to happen, we will see. If you have any confusion, you are not going to have any confusion at all in that direction whatsoever. After trying so many ways, after arguing with yourself for maybe uh, continuously, you might be arguing with yourself for continuously 7 months about a certain situation, you guys are going to feel like, okay, the confusion is over. There is no more ifs and buts and anything that is going to stop you from moving forward in a particular direction. But I don't see you taking any kind of action still. It's like the end of a chapter, a cycle in your life. Maybe you are ending or leaving behind something that you had to walk away long time ago in order to approach your heart's desire. And by the end of this month, I do see you coming out of this stagnancy, coming out of this feeling like stuck in a particular situation. You guys are going to be crystal clear about leaving one situation behind or closing one chapter for good, so that you can approach the other one that you are dying to have in your life. I don't know if you will be able to get that thing or not, but you will definitely be in this energy of leaving something or someone behind that is not aligning with your values, your path, and your happiness anymore, right? Cool. Cute. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra. So we have the Ten of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles. See, you guys have to drop this heavy and burdensome energies from your shoulders. First of all, something that you're continuously overthinking about, something that you're continuously planning and plotting and doing nothing about it. First of all, you have to drop this heavy and burdensome energy of overthinking about a situation all the time and not being able to do anything about it. And then you have to start going in the direction of your heart. You guys have to learn to be practical, to be clear about what you want, and then with a balanced kind of approach of your emotions and your practical side, then go ahead and do something about it. Oh my god, it's very difficult to express in words. So whatever you are thinking continuously, it's having a effect on your body as well. Maybe body ache, maybe backache, maybe headache, because you're continuously thinking about something and making it worse for yourself. Try to stop doing that, and learn how to balance your emotional and practical side. Once those sides are going to be balanced, then you will be able to make the right choices or right decisions according to how it should be. Wow. First of all, your focus should be on something that needs to be that needs to be properly done, chapter closed. Then go to the next one, whatever your heart is desiring for or hoping for. I don't know what that is, but until unless you are going to close that chapter, that's not good for you anymore. That's not making sense to you anymore. You guys will not be able to approach the another one with a fresh energy. And it's important for you to end one thing to start a new one, right? Let's see the final message here for you guys. हम तेरे प्यार में सारा आलम खो बैठे. So the last message is, this situation doesn't serve you. This situation that you guys have to leave behind, or this situation that you're continuously overthinking about and not doing anything. Release your attachment to the outcome. So if you are continuously worried about, if I'm going to go in this direction of this new energy or whatever my heart wants, maybe I'm not going to get what I want. If I'm not going to get what I want, what if I'm going to lose what I have? So these kind of energies are stopping you from moving forward. You cannot have like both of your legs in two boats and feel like I am going to get the results. It's not going to happen. You guys have to take the risk of moving forward and going in that direction. Only then you guys will be able to understand what you're going to get. And the attachment to the outcome is also one thing that's stopping you from getting your manifestation done. Consider taking a more uplifting approach, in the sense, have a positive approach, have a positive mindset, and whatever is supposed to happen will happen eventually. We cannot control or change the outcomes. It is what it is. It's on the divine, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.